back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Ginny Williams and I'm a published food and nature photographer from Charlotte, North Carolina. And on this channel, I share my love of healthy eating, food, and photography. And I create delicious vegan recipes. I hope that you all are having a fantastic holiday season. Guys, I have gone 2 weeks without posting a video. I am just not okay with that. After Thanksgiving, I got really burnt out from cooking and needed a little bit of a break. Then my birthday hit. I turned 35 on December 6th. And I just have gotten kind of behind on a lot of things. Matt and I went out for dinner and we celebrated all weekend and I just did not get any work done. And now we are doing a holiday event with his family on this Saturday, so I am getting some recipes ready for that and we're doing some gifts. So it is just that time of the year where there is so much going on. I also have some deadlines to meet for Carry Living, which is a magazine that I do food photography for. So yeah, it's that kind of time of year where there is just a lot going on and it's high stress. So I am so glad to be back today though, because I love making YouTube videos and connecting with all of you out there. So it is so great to be back, and I will continue to be back on a consistent basis now. So that is kind of a little recap of what has been going on lately with me. And today we're going to get into the holiday spirit. I have a really simple yet festive and healthy vegan recipe today. I'm going to be making a yogurt parfait with homemade granola. This recipe is just something I came up with on a whim over the weekend and I loved it. Matt absolutely loved it. He was like, this is the best thing I've had in a long time. The yogurt that I'm using for the parfait is the unsweetened vanilla coconut milk yogurt by So Delicious. If you've been watching my channel from the beginning, I have probably used this yogurt in like 15 videos at this point. It's one of my holy grail vegan products. You can get this at Harris Teeter. It's about $5.50 and it's a little more cost effective if you get the larger container versus a smaller. So yeah, Matt and I usually get 2 of these every time we go to the store because we go through them a lot. And that's all I have to say. Stick around and enjoy the video.
In a large mixing bowl, add 3 cups of old-fashioned oats, 1 cup of unsweetened shredded coconut flakes, 1 cup of chopped pecans, a 1/3 cup of coconut sugar or dark brown sugar, a teaspoon of cinnamon, 1/2 of a teaspoon of ginger, a 1/4 teaspoon of nutmeg, and 3/4 of a teaspoon of salt. And give that a really good stir until it is all nice and combined. Then pour in a 1/3 cup of agave nectar and a 1/3 cup of melted refined coconut oil. Baby, this year it's just gonna be you and me. Hang by the fire and chill. And give it a good stir until everything is evenly coated. Making our Christmas memories. Oh, and I've been longing to hold you close. Forget about everyone else. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Add the granola to a very large parchment-lined baking sheet and spread out into an even layer. Making our Christmas memories. I've been wrapping presents for you. I've been hanging marbles in the tree. And I've lit my house with Christmas lights, so you should come back home to me. And when we bake at 300 for about 45 minutes and give it a good stir halfway through. We'll be singing all the melodies until the sun comes up. These are the good times with you. When the granola is done, it should be a beautiful golden brown color. And let it sit for about 2 to 3 hours to cool down, and then you can crumble it and add it to some really fun mason jars. These little mason jars would also make a really great little gift for anybody in your life that loves granola. Just add a really pretty ribbon and attach a card and you're ready to go. Now it's the fun part. To assemble the parfaits, I'm just adding a little bit of non-dairy yogurt. You know I'm using the So Delicious, it's all I use. And then add some granola,
followed by some diced apples, some pomegranate seeds, and some pepitas, which are whole pumpkin seeds. And then just repeat the process until the cup is completely full.
Baby, this year it's just gonna be you and me. Hanging by the fire, chill. This is how it's supposed to be.
These healthy vegan yogurt parfait cups are a great option for Christmas Eve or Christmas Day morning as like a little appetizer or snack. So I hope that you enjoy it and get inspired to create something healthy and delicious this holiday season. I hope you enjoyed today's recipe. It is really delicious and pretty simple, so I hope you give it a try. Let me know if you do. And as always, like and subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you in my next video. Thanks so much for watching. Bye!